Can unmarried U.S. citizen children request a prosecutorial discretion remand? Imagine you're worried about a family member facing immigration issues, but you're not sure what steps can be taken. Today, we're going to clarify whether unmarried U.S. citizen children can ask for a remand through prosecutorial discretion. Let's break it down. Prosecutorial discretion is when immigration officials decide how to handle certain cases. They can choose to delay, dismiss, or close cases based on specific factors. This is not a formal application but a request made by someone in or connected to the case. Usually, the person in removal proceedings or their lawyer makes this request to ICE or the Department of Homeland Security. Now, since U.S. citizen children are not in removal proceedings, they are citizens. They cannot request prosecutorial discretion for themselves. They are not at risk of deportation, so the government does not consider their case for this kind of relief. But if a parent or family member is in removal proceedings, their U.S. citizen children can be a strong factor when asking for prosecutorial discretion. For example, showing proof of the children's citizenship, like birth certificates, can help. The government often considers family ties when deciding whether to use discretion. When a case is in appeal or going back to the immigration court, a request for prosecutorial discretion can be made during these proceedings. But again, only by or for the person facing removal. The term remand means sending a case back to a lower court or agency for more work. If a case is remanded, it means it goes back for further review. Requests for prosecutorial discretion are usually made during these stages, but only for the person in removal proceedings. For Latino families, if a parent is facing deportation, they or their lawyer can ask the government to use discretion, emphasizing the fact that they have U.S. citizen children. It's helpful to gather documents like birth certificates and evidence of family needs. U.S. citizen children themselves cannot make these requests, but their status can support their family's case. If you're a U.S. citizen child worried about a parent, you can't directly request prosecutorial discretion for them. Still, you can help gather documents and support their case. Always talk to an experienced immigration attorney to understand your options. To sum up, unmarried U.S. citizen children cannot request prosecutorial discretion for themselves because they are not facing removal. But their citizenship status can be a key part of a request made by their family members. Knowing this can help Latino families navigate the system better and support loved ones through immigration challenges.